Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Higgsfield AI. Instead of simply generating videos from prompts, Higgsfield aims to give creators the feeling of directing a movie scene. The platform focuses heavily on camera movements, character consistency, storytelling, and professional-looking video generation. So in this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about Higgsfield AI. Let's get started. At its core, Higgsfield AI is an AI-powered video generation platform that's designed to help creators produce highly cinematic videos using simple text prompts, images, or references. What makes Higgsfield different from many competitors is that it's not trying to be just another AI video generator. Instead, the platform is built around the idea of giving users directorial control over their videos. One particularly interesting aspect is that Higgsfield doesn't rely entirely on its own proprietary AI model. Instead, it brings together several leading AI models into a single workflow while adding its own layer of cinematic controls and optimization. This allows users to access powerful video generation capabilities without jumping between multiple platforms. For many creators, that convenience alone can save hours every week. Now, let us talk about the main features of Higgsfield AI. First is the cinematic cinema controls. This is arguably Higgfield's biggest selling point. The platform offers dozens of cinematic camera movements that users can apply to generate videos. Next is the multi-model access. One of the biggest frustrations in AI content creation is paying for multiple subscriptions. Higgsfield addresses this by offering access to several advanced AI models through one dashboard. And this allows users to experiment with different generation technologies without constantly switching services. So for creators managing multiple projects, this can significantly streamline workflows. Next is character consistency. Maintaining consistent characters across multiple scenes has been a major challenge in AI video generation. Higgsfield places significant emphasis on solving this issue. The platform's character consistency systems help ensure that characters maintain their appearances across multiple shots, camera angles, and scenes. There's also the storyboard and multi-shot creation. So rather than generating isolated clips, users can create multiple connected scenes. And this allows for better storytelling, consistent visual narratives, longer form content production, and more advanced creative projects. So instead of creating 10 separate clips manually, creators can build structured sequences that work together. Then there's AI image generation. Beyond video creation, Higgsfield also includes image generation. So this means users can create concept art, marketing visuals, avatars, product images, and social media graphics within the same ecosystem. Next is social media content creation. Higgsfield appears heavily optimized for short-form content. So many creators use it for TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, product advertisements, and influencer-style content. The platform's templates and camera effects are particularly useful for social media creators that are looking to increase engagement. And there's fast content production. Yeah, this is one of the biggest advantages of AI video tools: speed. So instead of spending days planning, filming, and editing content, users can create videos in minutes. Yes, minutes. So for businesses and creators who need a steady flow of content, this can be a major productivity boost. Now, what is the pricing like? Higgsfield has a basic plan under the individual plans. There's a basic plan of $9 per month. There's a pro plan of $23 per month and a max plan of $59 per month. And there's also a business plan. There's a team plan, a scale plan, and an enterprise plan. Now, if you sign up, you get a discount for these prices, and you also get Nano Banana 2 and Pro Unlimited on the Ultra plan. This is very interesting to know for businesses that are looking to create a multiple stream of videos. Now, what are the pros and cons? First, the pros: excellent cinematic camera controls, strong character consistency, multiple AI models in one platform, and is great for social media content. How about the cons? The credit usage can become more expensive. The subscription cost can also add up, hence it's not ideal for long-form filmmaking. After looking at everything that Higgsfield offers, I think the answer depends heavily on what the type of creator you are. So then you know if Higgsfield AI is the right one for you or not. So if your goal is to create cinematic short-form content, marketing videos, social media ads, or visually impressive AI-generated clips, then Higgsfield is one of the strongest options currently available. It's a powerful platform, especially for creators who prioritize visual quality and cinematic storytelling. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Runway, Pika, and Luma AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.